Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2021. It's past midnight, so basically it is November 13th, Friday. So today will be a good light loaded Friday. TGIF, not much work today because of my company is wrapping up for this year. We will select new leaders at a promotional board because it's nearing the end. So basically, we're just relaxing, finishing, wrapping up things, finishing things up for the new year. We are not busy at the moment. But since I have been quite lazy with exercises, I'm going to read some interesting article about the cardiovascular exercise and what it can do to our body. This article is from Big Think. So here we go. Big Think Health. A new study connects cardiovascular exercise with improved memory. So cardiovascular exercise will impact on our improved memory. Our memory will be improved with a cardiovascular exercise, probably on a regular basis. Researchers at UT Southwestern noted a 47% increase in blood flow to regions associated with memory. By Derek Barris, May 30th, 2020, 3-minute read. When sheltering at home began in Los Angeles, a crew of ambitious Angelinos didn't let gym closures stop their workouts. Pound 100 miles 30 days spread to over 400 participants around the world. It didn't matter how you split up the distance. You just had to walk or run 100 miles in April. While a lot of fitness culture hashtags rely on gimmickry, this challenge was social media at its best. Gimmickry. Exercise is always important, especially during a time when isolation negatively impacts mental health. Initiatives like the above keep individuals motivated with the term community temporarily loses its meaning. A workout partner or group fitness class holds you accountable. Some people need responsibility to keep moving, even if one as simple as hashtag. Whether you work out in group or by yourself, movement is necessary. Reams of research, that's good expression, a lot of research, reams of research. Research is full of a basket, it spills over the brims of the basket. Reams of research detail the importance of regular exercise. Besides physical health, staying fit leads to good mental health. A year-long study at UT Southwestern again confirms this fact. Published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, 3 volunteers, median age 66, either ran or stretched for 25 to 30 minutes 3 times a week. Each participant had no recent experience with exercise. Every volunteer showed some sign of memory impairment, which was a requirement as this was a study on memory. The stretch group performed a series of flexibility and balance exercises designed to keep their heart rate stable while strengthening their upper and lower bodies. The cardiovascular group completed a number of heart-racing exercises. After a year of continuous exercise, researchers measured cerebral blood flow in each participant. The aerobic group showed increased blood flow to two regions key to memory retention. The anterior cingulate cortex, responsible for attention allocation, reward anticipation, impulse control, and more, and the prefrontal cortex, decision-making, personality, planning complex behavior, and more, while the stretching group experienced minimal improvement in memory tests over the course of the year. The aerobic group saw a 47% jump in test scores. Lithuania's Astra Rainberga C runs next to New Zealand's Marcia Patley L, and Colombia's Maria Pastora Londoner R during the women's 100-meter final for athletes between 85 and 89 years old during the World Masters Athletics Championships on August 7th, 2015 in Lyon, southeastern France. Photo, Philip Desmaisis, AFP via Getty Images. Where is it? At the bottom? No images? Okay. So that was just a hoax, I guess. Where were we? As lead author of the study, Binu Thomas, a postdoctoral research fellow in the Center for Brain Health at UT Southwestern Medical Center, says aerobic exercise works in your favor at any age. Desk relief at any age, at any age, at any age, at any age, at any age. Aerobic exercise works in your favor at any age. Now, noting the study was only a small group, he continues. Cerebral blood flow is a part of the puzzle, and we need to continue piecing it together. But we've seen enough data to know that starting a fitness program can have lifelong benefits for our brains as well as our hearts. This study follows a wealth of data, detailing the impact of exercise on cognition. A University of Vermont study suggests mental health patients consider exercise before starting prescription medication, going so far as to recommend medical centers build gyms in the new therapeutic model. A prior review of 33 studies, a wealth of studies, advocated weightlifting as an important protocol for curbing depression. Another study based in Amsterdam called exercise an ideal intervention for treating anxiety disorders and depression. Oxford and Yale researchers discovered the same. In 2013, the Rand Corporation estimated that diseases of dementia cost America between $157 billion to $215 billion annually. Previous research specifically cites cardiovascular exercise or aerobic exercise as key for fighting dementia, including this 2010 study and this study from 2017. In 2013, epidemiologist Brian James told NPR that aging does not have to result in memory loss. It's simply not predestined for all human beings. It's simply not predestined. That's a good term. It's simply not predestined for all human beings. Lots of people live into their 90s and even 100s with no symptoms of dementia. While Thomas speculates that a drug could target blood flow in the regions cited in his study, perhaps we should consider what's kept us healthy for hundreds of thousands of years. Regular movement. Your body is in the shape you train for, so best to train it well. Your body is in the shape you train for, so best to train it well. Your brain will thank you. So best to train it well. Your body is in the shape you train for, so best to train it well. Stay in touch with Derek on Twitter, Facebook, and Substack. His next book is Hero's Dose, The Case for Psychedelics in Ritual and Therapy. So, reams of research, a wealth of data. It's simply not predestined for all human beings. Speculate. Prefrontal cortex regions key for fighting dementia. Yeah, I'm going over some expressions that we should memorize. Cardiovascular exercise, aerobic exercise, stretching exercise, dementia. Advocate, weightlifting, dementia, gyms, fitness program. Lifelong benefits. Get images. Yeah, so a picture is missing. This one is description. Lithuania, Austria, Rainburger. Experience minimal improvement. Saw 47% jump in test scores. Cerebral blood flow. I like that. I need to have increased cerebral blood flow for myself. Cerebral blood flow. Heart-raising exercises. Upper and lower bodies. Heart rate. Exercise. Median age 66. It's beneficial for at any age. It's beneficial. It's good for everybody at any age, at any step, at any time in their life. Mental health, regular exercise, reams of research reams of research, detail, attend who, detail, a workout partner, group fitness class, community, impacts, around the world. Social media hashtags rely on gimmickry. Sheltering at home began in Los Angeles. Cardiovascular exercise with improved memory. Thanks for listening.